Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I am Venom. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring Venom. And this particular item is from Julian, okay, a player here in the Philippines. So we traded Heroclix with Marvel Superhero Mashers. Okay, and that's fine with me because my son loves to play these things, although he dismembers a lot of them, but he really likes them. And you can see this particular figure. You can upgrade your mash up by mix and matching different mashers. So the more mashers, the merrier. And this mash up with Carnage. So meaning it has an extra hand for Carnage. And yeah, ages 4 and up. Okay, so not for children under 3 years. My son is almost 4, so I guess that counts. This one is a product by Hasbro. On the side, we can see Venom illustration. He actually ruined the box already, my son, because he when I arrived home, okay, I showed it to him and he wanted to hold onto the box. I told him don't rip the box, okay, because I'm gonna do an unboxing, but kids will be kids. Okay. On the other side, you see no illustration there. And on the back, you see a quick description of superhero mashers lend a hero a hand or a leg. Mix parts from Venom, Captain America, I think I already have this. Wolverine, I already have. And Doctor Doom, no. Hulk, I already have. Okay. And Venom here is thinking Defiance will cost you an arm and a leg. He also comes with a firing rocket launcher and swappable gear, so you can mix and match, as I said, different mashers. This is a product from Hasbro. But before we get into it, let's have a look at some Heroclix. Specifically, I don't know if it's Venom in particular, but we're looking at Black Symbiote. Okay, so I say not Venom because the name of this particular figure is various. So there might be more than one Venom or Black Symbiote. And Venom is just a specific name of the Black Symbiote. Anyway, so this particular figure, as you can see, is like a goo. Okay, so from the Spider-Verse set, okay, we have here set number 008A, Symbiote, Cosmic, and Monster keywords, and a trait, bonding to a host, shape change, steal energy. When Black Symbiote is KO'd, you may place it on a friendly character's card. So it's still scored, but you place it on the card afterwards. If you do, this game that character can use shape change, steal energy, and super strength. So effectively, when he's KO'd, you score the points, but he's gonna be boosting a character by giving him shape change, steal energy, and super strength. And that's really powerful because he comes in at either 50 or 15 points. So for 15 points, you can sacrifice this figure, okay, and then you can earn those 3 superpowers, give that 3 superpowers to another character. So he comes in at charging initially with toughness and battle fury. Then towards the tail end of the dial, he moves to plasticity, quake, combat reflexes, and exploit. 2 range, 2 targets. That is the Black Symbiote. Okay, so I really like this figure, especially if you're building like a one-man army, semi-tentpole team. Then you can always put in Black Symbiote to boost up your tentpole and your primary attacker. Anyway, let's go back and open up the box. So I don't really collect mashers, but through trades with Sandy, I've accumulated quite a lot. Okay, so the problem with this one is that it's hard to clean up. Parents, if you are watching this, okay, so it's a good toy, okay, because it's a marble toy and at the same time it enables, it's like blocks, okay, but instead of blocks, you're stacking up or you're mix and matching body parts, okay, which is going to be good for children, okay, because they get to showcase their creativity. So I'm not gonna pop all the items, okay, only gonna be popping up Venom. I'll probably keep the parts separately. Okay. So again, we're not gonna look at the extras, only the primary Venom. Okay. And this is a bulky figure. Okay. We also have a tongue here. I guess the tongue can be placed. Let's take it out. Because Venom cannot be Venom without his tongue. Okay. So let's see. So you can again mix and match with these pegs on the legs. This one goes here. Okay. This one goes here. And another leg. Okay. And Venom is complete when we put the arms. So I do collect Marvel Legends, but this particular set is actually not so bad. And let's put the tongue of Venom. There you go. Tongue of Venom. Yeah. Okay, I'm tempted to just keep the tongue there. So let's do that. I hope my son does not pull it. Because it's gonna be hard to look for this tongue if ever. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, so the design is good. Back design is even better. Let's see if it stands, because that's always the challenge with it, with these mashers. But this one does stand. Okay, and it has a lot of articulation. But for now, we're gonna wrap up the video. So share your thoughts on the comments, and until next time, bye.